Welcome everyone, this is AppTech Pro. Today we're going to be repairing an iPhone XS with a cracked screen. So as always, I'm going to go ahead and start the timer, speed up the video, and then show you the final results. So I hope you enjoy. And we are done. So 7 minutes and 21 seconds, and we have a brand new iPhone XS. So we use all OEM grade parts. If you need an iPhone repair, battery replacement, screen replacement, anything to do with iPhones, we can definitely help you. Make sure you check us out on Instagram, Facebook, and also our website. I'll leave all the links in the description below. And like I said, if you need any help with anything Apple related, you can always give us a call and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Thanks again.